तो सही।
भाई मारो, मुझे मारो मारो।
Hi guys, my name is Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and we thought that because it's weekend, so let's go out and explore a little bit of what all is there in our area. For those of you all who don't know, me and my husband, we stay in this area. It's called Amstelveen. Now Amstelveen is kind of on the outskirts of the capital city of Netherlands, that is Amsterdam. We thought we'll do a family outing, so I have with me my husband.
Hello.
And my doggo. And my doggo has been troubling us for a very long time. कहाँ पे आए हैं? What is it called?
Amsterdam's boss.
Amsterdam से Bos. Amsterdam से Bos.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल.
But actually it starts on the outskirts of Amsterdam city, but majority of the part is in Amstelveen, the area where we both stay. So when you reach Amsterdam Bos, when you reach at the main entrance, there is a forest shop. It's called De Bos Winkel, which means the forest shop. So I'm assuming there's some souvenirs or something for kids over there, something to buy. We did not really step inside because it was a little crowded and we were getting late to check out other stuff. But there is a forest shop and there people can even guide you as to what all activities you can do or how to get to the activities. We have come on 23rd of June, so there is a food market, there is some flea market of sort where they are selling clothes, jewelry, and of course food. What else? What else were they selling? They were selling books. There's alcohol available, but you are free to bring your own as well, and you can just sit around over here and have your own alcohol or purchase some food from here, bring your own food. Any आपको कुछ बोलना है एम्स्टरडैम से बोस के बारे में?
मुझे
कुछ आपको ऐड करना है जो मैंने मिस किया?
I think I cycled through this park when I got our second-hand cycle from Amsterdam North to Amsterdam.
Why don't you tell the whole story in short? मतलब
हाँ, so मतलब I thought of buying a bicycle and I got a seller who had listed his bicycle, but he was in Amsterdam North.
okay, so the seller was in Amsterdam
Yes,
North. Okay.
So took me around.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Yeah, I mean I went there. Then I thought of riding back home, but I did not know about the trip back home.
So
because
we were assuming it's only around 45
Yeah,
minutes, right?
On Google Maps, it just showed around an hour and 10 minutes or so. But in actuality, it was a lot more because you have to cycle through the city.
And you have to stop in
Yeah,
between
stop
also.
in between and take a ferry to cross one coast of Amsterdam to another.
Okay.
So, yeah, I mean, and it was a Dutch bike. I have never ridden a Dutch bike before.
With reverse brake,
Yeah,
reverse
so-
pedaling.
A few moments later.
But yeah, it took some getting used to, especially and with the Dutch bike with the reverse braking.
But it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. And then when I reached towards the end of Amsterdam, I cycled through this Amsterdam Bos right through the forest.
Oh.
So it was an amazing experience. I wish I had my GoPro.
So because this park is so huge and we don't have enough time and there is so much walking around, so मुझे लगता नहीं that we will be able to explore the whole thing today. Maybe we may have to come maybe another time or two more times and then only probably we'll check out the whole thing. But I'm definitely gonna show you guys a glimpse of what all is there over here. What's up?
मैं क्या बोलूं?
जो भी बोलना है बोल.
बस अच्छा लग रहा है इन घनी
वादियों में।
हाँ, खुले आसमान के नीचे
Oh.
बस पॉटी करने का मजा है।
Stop it. Get some help.
So today is day 2 at Amsterdam से Bos and अभी कितना हम अंदर आए हैं लास्ट टाइम से?
It's like maybe 100 meters.
Not much, काफ़ी बड़ा है, so we have to walk a lot and we are still pretty much at the beginning of this place. So there's a lot of walking around, there's a lot of open areas, so lots more to explore. So that was our second visit to Amsterdam Bos. It's a really big park, so make sure if you're coming here, please make sure that you take a lot of time out to come and explore, because honestly we have come the second time and still we could not cover everything. There was a lot to do. Mainly there's a lot of open space here, a lot of kind of space to chill around, to like kind of eat, drink and have your dogs around, so that's one pretty good thing. And apart from that, you can even do cycling. One important thing to know about this place is there is no entry cost, there is no entry fee, so you can come here. There are 2-3 restaurants, two at the start of the park and one is inside, which we could not check out because obviously we had less time. This park is really huge, there's lots to do. So it's better if you take a bike and ride around the whole park, then it's going to be a lot easier because there's not going to be much walking around, and of course there'll be less time involved that you will take to cover the whole park. So that's a better option, because we had our dog, so we could not take that option of cycling around. Do you want to add anything?
Add anything?
Any piece of information?
Piece of information. No piece of
मेरा
information.
एंगल अच्छा है ये.
We are very bit tired of walking.
Even though we didn't walk.
We didn't walk much, but yeah,
still.
it's a huge place.
Yeah.
And we recommend to
Take out the whole
cycle
day.
your way
Yeah.
through the entire thing.
Right.
हमारे पास तो एक भैंस है जोई, तो
ये है हमारी भैंस.
इसकी वजह से हम लोग अब तक बाग फीड्स नहीं लिए. बाग फीड्स सून लेने की कोशिश करेंगे. Then yeah, we'll be back at Amsterdam Bos and we'll visit the entire place.
We always say we'll visit the entire place, but we will not be able to, I know.
नहीं, when we'll get a back feeds for Zoe.
Then it'll be easier, much easier.
वही.
ठीक है, now we're gonna end our video. So, bye.
Bye.
बोल दो subscribe करने को.
Yeah, like, subscribe,
Share, comment.
comment.
Subscribe कर लेना.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
please.
Engagement बढ़ा देना.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay, bye.